up, everyone? Captain Shoes here at Dairy Queen, trying out another new Blizzard. This one is called Oreo Dirt Pie. It is chocolate with Oreo pieces and fudge pieces and gummy worms, and that seems right up my alley, so we're gonna try it out. But before we get started, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, get down in the comments, tell me what you would think about the Oreo Dirt Pie Blizzard. If it's up your alley, maybe it's something you don't like, if you've had it, if you haven't had it. Let's get going. I already love this cup because I'm a big baseball guy, and we got baseball team logos all over the place. Dairy Queen doing a lot of commercials right now with Bryce Harper and Tim Anderson, and we're gonna try out this. So a bunch of candy and stuff loaded into this little Blizzard, and I do love chocolate, so that's a point in the right direction for me already. Here we go. Okay, so I got some gummy worm in there. All right, we've had quite a bit at this point. I like this. I think it's good. It's got a lot of stuff in it. The key to any Blizzard is how much stuff is on the inside. They came through plenty of Oreos. I got those fudge pieces. The gummy worms are in there. My one critique, I know this is dirt pie, so it wouldn't be the same, but when you put a gummy candy in a cold dessert, it gets very hard, becomes difficult to chew. That's my one critique. I could kind of do without the gummy worms, but that's what makes it dirt pie. Otherwise, it's just another Oreo Blizzard, right? Either way, it's great. This is just what I need on a hot Florida day to give me some refreshment, cool me off a little bit, and satisfy my sweetness urges. So, that being said, I'm going to give this a 3.5 main man. 3.5 stars is good. It's exactly what it should be. They loaded it up properly. Bonus points for the chocolate ice cream because I happen to be a chocolate guy. So anytime I get that in a Blizzard, it's a point in the right direction for me. Me personally, like I said, I could do without the gummy worms, but I also know why they're here. Otherwise, this is a perfect little presentation. The one thing, and it's not Dairy Queen's fault at all, it's just that I live in Florida, so it begins to melt very quickly, which is a shame. So I got to make sure I enjoy it as quickly as possible to get it at peak flavor and deliciousness. Really good job, Dairy Queen. 3.5 main man. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave some comments, tell me what you think, or if there's anything else you want to see me try out. Otherwise, until next time, friends.